I get that runt in the ring tonight, I'll murder him!
Pepper, salt, mustard, cider. You gotta work hard to be a fighter!
I better go check up on little muscles. There's no sense in overtraining. Whoa! I gotta slow that mustard down, or he'll murder me!
That's enough, Popeye. Now to punch the sandbag.
Whoa!
Alrighty, Popeye. You'll do 5 minutes on the sandbag.
Guess I'll have to use me old twister punch. One,
2, follow through. 3, 4, squeeze in more. 5, 6, no bad tricks. 7, 8, keep punching, mate. 9, 10, start again.